This Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven Black Plus Pizza Peel Combo is a versatile and highly efficient portable pizza oven, known for its appearance on the popular TV show Shark Tank. This oven promises to deliver restaurant-quality results, whether you're cooking with wood, charcoal, pellets, or gas. Let's delve into the features, performance, and overall value of this impressive outdoor pizza oven. The Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven boasts a sleek and durable design, featuring a robust black exterior that not only looks good, but is also built to withstand outdoor elements. The construction is solid, ensuring longevity and reliable performance over time. Weighing in at a manageable size, this oven is incredibly portable, allowing you to transport it easily to different outdoor settings, be it your backyard, a camping site, or a tailgate party. One of the standout features of this oven is its versatility. The Bertello can operate using wood, charcoal, pellets, or a gas attachment sold separately, giving you the flexibility to choose your preferred fuel source. This multi-fuel capability makes the Bertello a unique and adaptable cooking appliance, suitable for a wide range of culinary styles and preferences. The Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven excels in its ability to reach high temperatures, a critical factor for achieving the perfect pizza. This oven can heat up to over 930 degrees Fahrenheit 500 degrees Celsius, which is significantly hotter than most conventional home ovens. This high temperature capability is essential for cooking authentic Neapolitan-style pizzas, characterized by a perfectly crispy crust and evenly cooked toppings. The oven's cooking surface measures 12.5 inches wide by 13.5 inches deep, providing ample space to cook a decent-sized pizza. The included cordierite stone is designed to withstand high temperatures and distribute heat evenly across the pizza, ensuring a uniformly cooked crust. Additionally, the oven comes with a wood chipolate scoop and a wood charcoal pellet tray, facilitating the use of different fuel types and enhancing the overall cooking experience. One of the most appealing aspects of the Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven is its versatility. Whether you prefer the smoky flavor of wood-fired pizza, the convenience of gas, or the unique taste of charcoal, this oven can accommodate your needs. The optional gas attachment, although sold separately, adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to quickly switch between fuel sources based on your cooking requirements and time constraints. In addition to pizzas, the Bertello is capable of cooking a wide variety of foods. You can use it to prepare meats, fish, vegetables, and even dessert pizzas, making it a highly versatile outdoor cooking appliance. This functionality transforms the Bertello from a simple pizza oven into a comprehensive outdoor kitchen solution. Setting up and using the Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven is straightforward, even for those new to outdoor cooking. The oven features a user-friendly design with simple controls, making it easy to ignite and adjust the temperature. The built-in temperature gauge helps you monitor the heat levels, ensuring your food cooks perfectly every time. The oven's lightweight and portable nature means you can easily move it around your backyard or take it with you on outdoor adventures. The included pizza peel is a thoughtful addition, making it easy to slide pizzas in and out of the oven without burning yourself. This accessory enhances the overall ease of use and adds to the oven's practicality. When it comes to cooking results, the Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven does not disappoint. The ability to cook at high temperatures allows you to achieve a perfectly crisp crust with a soft and chewy interior, closely mimicking the results of traditional brick ovens found in pizzerias. The even heat distribution provided by the cordierite stone ensures that the pizza cooks uniformly, avoiding common issues such as burnt edges or undercooked centers. The high heat also ensures that pizzas cook quickly, typically in about 2 minutes, allowing you to prepare multiple pizzas in a short amount of time. This speed is particularly beneficial when entertaining guests, as it allows you to serve fresh, hot pizzas without long waits. Maintaining the Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven is relatively easy. The stainless steel construction can be wiped down with a damp cloth, and the cordierite stone can be cleaned by scraping off any residual food particles. Regular maintenance will help keep the oven in excellent condition and ensure its longevity. The oven's durable construction is designed to withstand frequent use and exposure to outdoor elements. This durability, combined with its versatility and high performance, makes the Bertello a worthwhile investment for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Final thoughts. The Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven Black Plus Pizza Peel Combo is a remarkable product that offers exceptional value for both novice and experienced cooks. Its versatility, allowing the use of wood, charcoal, pellets, or gas, sets it apart from many other outdoor pizza ovens on the market. The high-temperature capability ensures you can achieve restaurant-quality results, whether you're making pizzas or exploring other culinary creations. Its portable and lightweight design makes it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures, while its solid construction guarantees durability and reliable performance. The ease of use and minimal maintenance required further enhance its appeal, making it a practical and enjoyable addition to any outdoor kitchen. Whether you're looking to impress guests at a backyard party, enjoy a family pizza night, or take your cooking skills on the road, the Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven is a versatile and high-performing option that delivers delicious results every time. With its appearance on Shark Tank and the positive reviews it has garnered, the Bertello is a proven and trusted choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.